It's Christmas Eve, a little after 4 a.m. We're about to roll some smoke. All right, we got 4 pork butts from Costco. They're gonna get turned into Christmas Eve tamales. What am I doing? I am wiping these suckers down, because I do not like that slime that builds up on them in the cryovac. Ain't no reason to have that on my food. It stinks. There ain't no way it tastes good. And putting the paper down, towels down first helps keep the cutting board nice and clean. It's easier to clean up later. A lot easier to clean up later. When you season the pork, you don't have the wet surface of your cutting board for all your seasonings to stick to and embed inside of the grease. All right, we got the 4 pork butts cleaned up, dried up, trimmed up, ready to get seasoned up. Top side is done. Gonna let that sit in for a little while. Drink a cup of coffee. Come on back and fix it. All right, got it seasoned up. Gonna wait a little bit as I go light the fire. All right, I got that lit up about 10 minutes ago. Just gonna go out and check on her. See how she's doing. Smells good. That chili powder, a little onion, garlic. It's gonna be good. On the smoker, Weber Smoky Mountain. A little after 5 a.m. Come back in a couple hours and check them. It's about 7:30. It's been on 2.5 hours, something like that. It is. Came up to temperature now, that's good. 20 degrees out this morning. It is cold. Don't believe the temperature gauge, it don't work. Should turn a little dark. Chili powder on there, probably. Sweating. It's got the meat sweats. Sample piece. A little smoke ring. There we go. So I already got 1 pork shoulder pulled and seasoned up for the tamales. We got 3 sitting in here actually. And I'm gonna start pulling them apart and make some more. Super tender, good bark, good flavor. I like to pick out the fat pieces because nobody likes to eat fat. That's just nasty. It's the money muscle, or what's left of it. What you doing, Hannah? What you got cooking? Good looking.
Thanks. I'm making masa for tamales.
And what went into masa?
Well,
Everything we see.
masa, lard, beef broth, salt. I think that's it for this recipe.
8:57 p.m. It's been a long day, but should be worth it. Batch one done.